Hi children, welcome to EduCup. Today we are going to discuss about female reproductive system. This lesson is regarding to grade 10 science. Our first subtopic is main parts of the female reproductive system. Under that, our first part is ovary. You can see the ovary here. There is a pair of ovaries close to the lateral walls of pelvic area in the abdominal cavity. In a cross-section of an ovary, there are two zones known as cortex and medulla. Ova are produced in follicles. Each ovary contains primary follicles and various stages of production of ova such as Graafian follicles, corpus luteum and corpus albicans. Production of ova starts at the birth of the female. Next one, fallopian tube. You can see fallopian tubes. Ovum that comes out of the ovary enters into long muscular tube called fallopian tube. The end of this tube, which is close to the ovary, is funnel-like and has finger-like projection called fimbria. These are important in transferring the ovum into fallopian tube. Next part, uterus. This is a hollow structure positioned in pelvic area. There are three zones in uterus named as fundus, body and cervix. Two fallopian tubes are connected to the zone called fundus. The other end of the uterus is cervix. Next part is vagina or endocervical canal. Vagina starts from the cervix and opens to the exterior from the opening called vulva. This diagram shows you a cross-section of female reproductive system. This is also the parts of female reproductive system. Let's see functions of female reproductive system. First one, producing of ova in females initiate since fertile stage. Next one, at birth each ovary contains 200,000 to 400,000 primary follicles. Nearing puberty, one of the primary follicles develops to form a multicellular structure called Graafian follicle. It reaches the peripheral area of the ovary. When matured, Graafian follicle bursts to release the ovum, which is directed towards the fallopian tube by fimbria. Then the ovum passes through the fallopian tube towards the uterus. This figure shows you the cross-section of an ovary with various stages of ovum. Activities of female reproductive system. First one, developing ova, which are the female reproductive cell. Second one, facilitate the developing of foetus. Production of hormones, estrogen and progesterone.